Hi everyone, I'm Nesara Disanayaka, a PhD student at the University of Adelaide. I will be presenting our work, A Grounded Theory of the Role of Coordination in Software Security Patch Management. This is joint work with Manzoor Zahedi, Asangi Jaitilaka, and Muhammad Ali Babar. We are from the Centre for Research on Engineering Software Technologies at the University of Adelaide, Australia. Cyber attack has become a common term in the present. Attackers breach corporate networks through existing software vulnerabilities. And practitioners applying security patches on time is critically important to protect against such attacks that have caused disastrous consequences, such as the Equifax case. The most effective strategy to mitigate software vulnerabilities is timely software security patch management, which refers to a multi-stage process of identifying, acquiring, testing, installing, and verifying software security patches for products and systems. The focus here lies in the period from when a security patch is available from the vendor until the patch is installed by practitioners. Software security patch management is inherently a socio-technical endeavor requiring coordination of the efforts and decisions of multiple stakeholders and several interdependencies, making it a complex and challenging undertaking. While it has been reported that a majority of the patching delays emerge from coordination issues, there is not much known about the coordination aspects, such as how does the coordination aspect cause patching delays, and what can be done for addressing the causes. So, our goal for this study was to gain an understanding of the role of coordination in software security patch management. To do this, we collected data through a longitudinal study over 9 months where we observed 51 patch meetings between two organizations, Alpha and Beta, attended by 21 stakeholders from 8 teams representing diverse roles. Alpha is related to the healthcare domain and Beta is a multinational corporation that provides security patch management service to Alpha. The patch meetings were focused on reporting security patch management status, tracking vulnerability remediation progress, discussing issues, planning patch cycles, and decision making. In addition, we held discussions immediately after the meetings with one of Alpha's security team members to clarify doubts that emerged during the observations and gather additional information. We also gathered data by analyzing artifacts to supplement our understanding of the process and used terminology. In parallel to the data collection, we analyzed the data using grounded theory, which resulted in the theory of the role of coordination in software security patch management, which is described using causes, the socio-technical dependencies that define the need for coordination, constraints, factors that hinder coordination, breakdowns, scenarios of patching failures resulting from ineffective coordination of causes and constraints, and mechanisms, strategies devised for supporting the coordination, that is managing causes, constraints, and breakdowns in software security patch management. Next, I will present some of the key findings of our grounded theory across these 4 dimensions using an example scenario. We identified that the need for coordination is caused by the socio-technical interdependencies inherently present in the security patch management process. For example, Mark, a practitioner from Beta, is going to deploy a security patch to an electronic medical record software, which we call Software A. In the middle of the deployment, he gets an error and the deployment fails. Following long hours of troubleshooting, he identified the cause as a software dependency between Software A and B, meaning that the versions between the software should be in sync for this patch deployment to take effect. However, Mark is not responsible for patching software B, so he needs to talk to someone who handles it to progress with this task. But he doesn't know who in which team handles this task. We identify that these delays are caused by the internal team and organization related dependencies associated with the social dependencies in software security patch management. And the task gets further delayed if the associated external stakeholder dependencies are not effectively managed. For example, in this scenario, Mark learns from Alex, who's responsible for patching software B, that she is still waiting for the vendor's response to the support case raised regarding a faulty patch for software B. Also, since patch deployment to software A will be delayed until these issues will be resolved, coordinating the customer dependencies is critical, such as informing them about the delay and renegotiating a date and time for redeployment. However, effectively coordinating these dependencies were hindered by a set of constraints. A dominating factor we identified was the lack of suitable tool support, such as the inability to detect specific software dependencies, such as in this case. As a result, Mark had to spend hours trying to find the error causing the interdependencies. When these constraints affected the causes, they led to breakdowns, such as unexpected escalations to the planned patch schedules. Since Alpha operated in the mission-critical healthcare domain, patch deployment delays resulting in exceeding the allocated patch window led to devastating consequences, such as life-threatening risk to critical patients from additional service unavailability even for a couple of minutes. Finally, we identified a set of strategies applied by the study teams to manage the interdependencies while mediating the constraints to avoid breakdowns. To mention a few, early investigation of interdependencies and collaboratively deciding the solutions at patch meetings help the teams maintain dependency awareness, identify the need for out-of-band patching, and plan the associated tasks with minimum impact of dependencies. Another important strategy was careful clustering of patches with software dependencies and appropriate load balancing to avoid unexpected system downtime. So, to conclude, based on a longitudinal grounded theory study, we present the theory of the role of coordination in software security patch management. The theory explains the effects of coordination across 4 interrelated dimensions: causes, constraints, breakdowns, and mechanisms. We provide the grounded evidence that the role of coordination represents a core concern, contrasting with an existing perception among the SE community that automation and tooling alone can be sufficient to achieve success in patching, and highlight the need to have a delicate balance between the socio-technical concerns such as coordination and automation to reduce patching delays. The theory provides important insights for practitioners to avoid patching delays and failures and enhance confidence in their decisions, and for researchers to shape their work on patch development to address the practical concerns in patch application. The findings can also be used for developing suitable solutions for supporting the coordination of interdependencies involved in software security patch management. For more information, please have a look at our paper. I look forward to hearing your questions and comments at the conference. Thank you.